everyone, and welcome to my studio and the weekly stitch and my only Vlogmas video of 2019. I have to admit I don't really fully understand Vlogmas. I try to find like who started it, if there are like prompts for specific days, or if it's just that you're vlogging every day. If you have any information, let me know in the comments below. I'm a little new to the YouTube scene, so I did not really 100% understand Vlogmas, but I was like, you know what? I at least want to get one video up for Vlogmas, even though I might not be doing the right thing. So this is my Vlogmas video. Just wanted to come on here and tell you all Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever it is you celebrate. I know this can be a crazy busy season. It's very busy for me. It's been a very hectic day, actually. So it's nice to just be able to sit here and chat with you guys. I wanted to talk a little bit about what me and my family does for Christmas. We are in the not really in the process of moving, but we're hoping to be moving in the next couple months. So our house is in a general state of disarray. So I didn't even bother trying to put any decorations up. We haven't even bought a tree since we moved back to Texas. So it's not very seasonal in our house right now, but I have been doing some Christmas baking. I've been watching a lot of Christmas movies while I do my work on the computer. So I've been enjoying the holiday that way. We will be going to spend Christmas with my husband's family who lives in St. Louis next week. Pretty excited about that. We only get to see them once a year around this time, really. So always a good time to go see them. And then after Christmas, we'll head back here and spend a little bit of time with my family. A lot of great holiday traditions that we try to keep up, and we're blessed that we get to spend time with both of our families. Spending time with my family is going to be a little difficult this year with the passing of my grandma. It's just going to be a different kind of Christmas. But I'm still looking forward to seeing everyone. My husband and I, about like 3 years ago, quit doing Christmas gifts. So, and it's honestly been amazing. The holiday is so much less stressful. Sometimes I feel like a Scrooge saying that we don't do gifts, but it has, it's been a total game changer. The holidays are less stressful. We just focus on spending time with my family. Our families, me and my siblings, like to get together and have a sibling date with just the three of us instead of getting each other gifts, and we go do something fun together, which we never do. So there's been a lot of good things that have come out of it, and if that's something, obviously, like when you have kids, it's kind of like a different situation, but we don't have kids, so if you are in the position to do that with even just like half of your family, I highly recommend it, just from my personal experience. If you do gifts and you're like a gift queen and you are awesome at getting them and wrapping them and all of that, more power to you. So yeah, that is what we do around Christmas time. I'm looking forward to having a new house next Christmas that I'll be able to actually decorate. I have a lot of ideas for decorations I want to make. We'll get a tree next year. All of that is very exciting for me. I also wanted to touch on why you may have noticed I'm a little bit quieter this time of year. Not just this year, but in general. My family, we go out of town for Thanksgiving and we go out of town for Christmas. So the weeks of Thanksgiving to after, like, into the new year. So those weeks are all just a little bit crazy for me. So in a time when a lot of other small business people are pushing their products and doing big sales and sending out lots of newsletters and all of that kind of stuff, I tend to just like retreat in the month of December. I like to spend a lot of time just like being cozy and, like I said, watching Christmas movies while I do work on my computer. I've been working on my new pattern and just kind of like hibernate into the season, even though it's not that cold here. And, you know, spend time with family and just kind of take a break from being so business focused as I am like throughout the rest of the year, and just kind of use the month of December to simmer, start kind of thinking about the new year and what I want to do, my goals for the new year, and just kind of like working quietly, I guess, is the best way I can describe it. I'm getting all of these emails from all of my peers, a lot of other pattern designers, and I'm usually thinking like, I should be doing this. I should be promoting more in the month of December. It's a great time to get sales and stuff like that. But I don't know, I just haven't, I'm never motivated in this time of year. Maybe next year I'll be better and I'll plan ahead to where I can have all that stuff planned out before it even gets to that season. We'll see. But honestly, even me, like the emails and stuff I get, I am usually just, they're all immediately going into the trash, sadly enough. So I don't know. It's kind of like a conflict of emotion as, do I want to be involved in this like big commercialism of the holiday, although I am like a small business owner and I obviously like promote the selling of things in general. So it's just a constant inner battle. And more so, it's just, like I said, a motivation thing. By the time December runs around, like my brain is just in a fog and all I want to do is sit on the couch and watch Christmas movies. So I just do whatever work I can do from the couch. So that is why I am typically a little quieter on social media, my blog, YouTube, in this time of year. So a little bit of rambling there for you, but that's what's going on over here. I don't think I'm going to take my computer with me on our trip. Usually I do. Sometimes we have a lot of downtime and I just use it to like work on patterns or whatever I have going at the moment. This year I don't think I'm going to do that. I think we're not going to be gone for as long as we usually are, so everything's going to be a little more crammed. So I think I'm just going to chill this year and use the time to read my book, work on my embroidery, just actual relaxing holiday vacation stuff. So yeah, looking forward to the new year. This will be my last video for 2019. In 2020, you can expect to see new patterns from me. You can expect to see more video tutorials from me. There will probably be a lull in the time that we're moving, hopefully around February or March. Probably more like March or April. I, of course, have some personal sewing projects that I would love to get to in the new year. I'll also be finally building out my new studio, which I have been sort of videoing the process of some of that stuff for you guys that I can't wait to show you. And yeah, I am taking on less freelance work next year. I've talked a little bit about that before, but I'm cutting it down even more. So I want to be way, way more focused on my business, both the pattern shop and my handmade shop. I'm hoping to do some craft fairs next year. a lot of exciting things to look forward to in 2020. My sister's getting married, so there'll be a lot of things going on with that, I'm sure. But I feel like next year is the year where my business really takes off. I hope. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great holiday season. Do you do presents? Do you not do presents? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you're traveling for the holidays. Where are you going? And I will see you in 2020. Happy sewing, everyone. Bye. Are all just kind of crazy for me? Oh, hi. Hello. So, Banjo, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get off of there. Sit. Get off my mic. Good boy. Good boy.